Welcome students of exam classes HAVO 5 and VWO 6. This is a video about the exam of 2025. It's the history exam to be exact that we're talking about, and that of 2005, and it's informative and helpful for all exam students of HAVO and of course VWO. We're seeing Dr. Da Costa Gomez. He was important because he took part in the Ronde Tafel conferenties between 1948 and 1954. En during those conferences the desire, het verlangen van elk gebiedsdeel van de Nederlandse Antillen naar meer zelfbestuur. En de question is, geef aan naar welk verlangen, welke regeling dat verlangen geleid heeft. So, name the result of this desire to more self-governance that surfaced during the Ronde Tafelgesprekken, of which Moises Da Costa Gomez was a leading figure, like a prominent figure. That's actually better. So, what was the result of this verlangen naar zelfbestuur van elk gebiedsdeel? Ja? En where did this lead to? Waar heeft dit naar geleid? Dit verlangen naar meer zelfbestuur, to more self-governance. So, when we're talking about gebiedsdeel, you have to know, above here is a map above me, and you see there were 6 gebiedsdelen, 6 areas, Sint Maarten, Saba and Sint Maarten, and Curaçao, Aruba and Bonaire, and together there were 6 gebiedsdelen. There were 6 areas that were a part of Curaçao and onderhorigheden that would later on, in 1948, become the Netherlands Antilles, and in 1951 this led to something that we're going to name in a few seconds, and in 1954 this became the Netherlands Antilles, de Nederlandse Antillen. So, waar heeft dit nou toe geleid? Dit heeft geleid tot de ERNA, de eilandregeling Nederlandse Antillen. This was the result to the desire, het verlangen van elk gebiedsdeel naar meer zelfbestuur. Dus het resultaat van dit verlangen, the result of this desire, was de arrangement, de regeling van de ERNA. Ja, and it's called de eilandregeling Nederlandse Antillen. Eilandelijke regeling Nederlandse Antillen. In short, eilandregeling Nederlandse Antillen. Yeah? Goodbye, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you want to subscribe, ring the bell, that helps.